Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Eustace the ice cream cat for Moriah and Elizabeth. So let's get started. To draw this sweet cat, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a curve, and it's going to come down about right here. So a long curve, and just make sure this part right here is higher than this side. And then from there we're going to come right to this edge and draw a circle. And let's see here, a little highlight right here, and then shade this all in. Then from there, let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So nice and wide. So let's say about right here, I'm going to drag this point across actually, because we're going to do the same thing about right here. And once again, draw a curve, long curve, and bring it down. And then right here, once again, a circle and a highlight. There. Okay, so it's looking that way, right? Okay, and then from there, let's go ahead and draw the nose. So right in between the eyes, about right here, it's going to draw a soft curve, round it off. Bring it into the center, and then come down with a straight line right about here, and we're going to curve out nice and wide towards the eyes, cap it off, and same thing here, nice and wide. And then in this area right about here, we're just going to pop out a tongue. So just draw a curve for a tongue. And then let's come above the eye, about right here, and we're just going to draw a curve right over the eye for the brow. So same thing on the other side, about right here. There. And I'm just going to come back real quick and just darken this top curve. Then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the head. So we're going to come out nice and wide. So come to this point right here where the eye is, and just come out, let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point there. And so this is going to be about this. So same thing here, about this wide, just like the other side, about right here. And I'm going to go ahead and draw this big head. So we're going to go up from here and go around, so nice and high. So play around with it about right here. If it's too high, too low, just make adjustments. So let's say about right there, and then I'm going to start to bring it right back down to here. Oops, all the way down, back to my point. There, nice big head. So I have to draw the ice cream part, right? Okay, so then from there, let's bring it in. Now this part is a little bit shallower. And we're going to, let's see here, we're going to find my center. I'm just going to give myself a point about right here. I'm going to end it. So let's go ahead and connect this for the bottom of the head, of the face, I mean. And connect. There. Okay, so now that I'm looking at it, this side needs to be a little bit rounder. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to start to draw the drizzle. So let's come right about here, and I'll just start with a curve, and then we're going to curve it down. Nice drip, and then we're going to go around the brow. And go up. So just have fun with this part. And around. Next to the brow, and then another drip, and and back up. There. So this part can be kind of whatever, but it's just the main thing is we want these 2 drips coming down on both sides. Oh, almost forgot we need to draw the whiskers. So I'm going to come right here. Draw 2 whiskers. So same thing here. Both sides. There. Okay, and then from there, let's draw, come up to the top right here in this area and draw a cherry. So we come up and draw this big cherry, wobble in the center, come right back in, and then we draw a curve right here and stick out a stem, little end, and then we're going to tuck in this ear about right here. Just pop it in and then draw the inside. There. And so then on this side, kind of where the other ear would be, let's just draw a cone so that we can just cover this area and not have to draw the ear. So right about here, round off the tip and come right back down. And I'm just going to quickly draw in some of these curves for some detail. There, so now we know it's a cone, right? And then draw some chips here. So just going to quickly just wobble these shapes here and there. Okay, maybe we have enough. Okay, I'll leave it as this. I always tend to overcomplicate things, right? So let's go from there and start to draw the body. So I'm going to come right here underneath the eye, just like I did with Shelly, and here. And we're going to draw a slight angle line and then come in. And then let's come back to center, go to the left a little bit, and here, and just draw in a curve to bring it down to create the front legs and connect. So same thing over here. And 2 little lines, and then whatever space you have left, just connect it right here with a line. And then for the back, just curve and then another curve right there, and same thing over here. There. And now we need to put in a tail. So for Eustace, it's on this side. So I'm going to come over here and draw a curve and bring it in. And then for some markings, right about here, some stripes. 2 of them right about here. And same thing on the other side. And some here as well. So right in the center, I'm just going to zigzag and thicken it up. There. And last thing, let's add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Eustace the ice cream cat from Moriah Elizabeth. I really hope you love how this cat turned out just as much as the one I did of Shelly. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.